Just like the surge in popularity of mechanical keyboards, which attract typists and gamers for their responsiveness, durability, and layout variety, four-person tents have become a top choice for campers who want comfort and convenience outdoors. Whether you're planning a family trip.
List number 1. The Core tent for family camping is an excellent option for families or small groups seeking comfort and convenience. With space for up to 4 campers, this tent features a straight wall design that maximizes interior space, allowing campers to move around comfortably. It includes advanced venting technology with adjustable ground vents and a mesh ceiling, which enhances airflow and reduces condensation. The water-resistant fabric and included rainfly provide reliable protection from rain, while taped seams add durability. Setup is quick thanks to the simple pole system and color-coded instructions, making it accessible even for first-time campers. The tent comes with a carry bag for portability, making transport and storage easy. One of its highlights is the built-in gear loft and storage pockets, which help keep essentials organized. It's lightweight enough for car camping, but sturdy enough to handle moderate wind and rain conditions. Verdict: a spacious, well-ventilated, and weather-ready family tent, ideal for weekend camping trips and small group adventures.
List number 2. The Joinf Top Post Battery Disconnect Switch is a reliable and heavy-duty solution suitable for 12-volt to 48-volt systems. Its high amperage capacity ensures safe disconnection for cars, trucks, boats, and RVs. Constructed with high-quality metals and corrosion-resistant finishes, the switch withstands harsh environmental conditions while maintaining excellent conductivity. The rotary knob provides smooth operation, allowing users to isolate the battery quickly in emergencies or for storage. Installation is simple, requiring minimal tools, and it fits standard top post terminals securely. It's particularly useful for preventing battery drain during extended vehicle storage and protecting sensitive electronics from accidental shorts. Verdict: a sturdy and cost-effective top post battery switch, ideal for automotive and marine users seeking reliable battery management.
List number 3. The Vidalido camping tent is designed for campers who value ventilation and visibility. With 2 large mesh doors and 4 mesh windows, it provides excellent airflow and panoramic views, perfect for warm weather camping. Its roomy interior comfortably accommodates up to 4 people, while the high-quality polyester fabric and waterproof coating ensure reliable protection against light rain. The tent also comes with a durable frame that resists wind and maintains stability. One standout feature is its family-friendly design with multiple entry points, making it easy for groups to move in and out. The mesh elements double as insect protection, keeping the interior bug-free. The tent is easy to set up, requiring minimal time and effort, and includes a convenient carry bag for transport. While it may not perform as strongly in heavy rain as some premium models, its ventilation makes it ideal for summer adventures. Verdict: a breathable, spacious, and family-oriented tent, best for summer camping trips or warm weather excursions.
List number 4. The UNP Portable Cabin Tent is all about space and convenience. Designed in multiple sizes, the 4-person version provides ample headroom and floor space, making it feel more like a small cabin than a traditional tent. Its straight-wall construction maximizes interior height, allowing campers to stand and move comfortably. Made from durable 185T polyester, the tent offers reliable weather resistance, while the included rainfly ensures added protection. Setup is straightforward, taking just minutes with the shock-corded fiberglass frame. Ventilation is handled through multiple mesh windows and a roof vent, reducing condensation and enhancing airflow. One of its best features is the large door design, which makes entry and exit easy even for families with kids. Storage pockets keep gear organized, while the carry bag makes it portable. Verdict: a spacious cabin-style tent, perfect for family or group campers who prioritize comfort and standing room.
List number 5. Fanttik Outdoor Alpha C4 Ultra Camping Tent. 4-person pop-up instant cabin setup in 60 seconds. For campers who want speed and convenience, the Fanttik Outdoor Alpha C4 is a standout. This pop-up instant tent can be fully set up in just 60 seconds, making it perfect for spontaneous trips, festivals, or quick weekend getaways. Despite its quick setup, it doesn't compromise on durability. The tent is made from high-quality waterproof fabric with taped seams to protect against rain. The cabin-style design provides ample space for 4 campers and allows easy movement inside. Ventilation is well handled with mesh windows and a breathable top, ensuring fresh airflow while keeping insects out. The included carry bag makes transportation simple, and the tent folds down compactly when not in use. While it may not be as rugged as traditional heavy-duty tents, its instant setup and convenience make it one of the most user-friendly options on the market. Verdict: a fast-pitch, waterproof tent, ideal